Communicate UK started about 30 years ago. We do various security systems throughout East Anglia and UK. I recommend CAME and I have used them for the past 15 plus years. The equipment is bulletproof, the technical support is very good, and with Steve Bond available, I can get up-to-date information within a couple of phone calls. Clifftown Shore is 49 luxury apartments along the seafront, overlooking the long pier, so you can see a nice clear view across Kent.
It's an iconic development, there's nothing else like it in Southend. It's a very chilled place to live, more of a lifestyle than just an apartment. Each flat has its own parking space and there is a gym, concierge and bike store. Communicate installed all our door entry systems. That's the main entrance to the building and within the flats.
The reason why we use CAME for the installation is because it's right on the seafront. The stainless steel has been kept immaculate even though the salt from the sea has been attacking it. Inside the apartments we use the AGT monitors. Because they're luxury apartments, we needed something professional and sleek. We needed a solution that took long cable runs because we could only fit equipment into a riser, and that fitted the bill perfectly. We installed the system about 3 years ago and it's been sitting there reliably ever since. We've had no calls for any faults or any concerns.
We've had no problems at all. I've not experienced any issues with the system, so I would say they were a good system to use.
The reason why I use CAME is it's a good product and I get good support from them, whether it's technical support, product support, and they help me out dramatically when it comes to an urgent situation. We have used other companies in the past, other manufacturers, but CAME BPT, especially Steve, goes the extra mile to help us, which basically helps the client as well. So it's a win-win.